In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account in Outlook mobile app. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook on your phone. You want to go to the top left where you can see kind of the Outlook logo, so tap on that. And as you can see on the left, there's the Home tab. Then you can see the, of course, Outlook logo, which is my first account. And if you want to add another account, you want to tap on the plus button just below it, so this one over here. And when you tap on it at the bottom, there's two options. You want to tap on Add an Account. And just like this, it's going to take you back to your account setup where you can go and of course type in your email or just add a Google account, whatever you want. And that way you'll be able to essentially get connected, okay? After that, you'll be asked for the password and the verification if you have like 2FA or something similar. And then that way, whenever you're done, your account is going to be added, okay? And it's going to be over here in the list on the left. You'll be able to switch between them by tapping on the one you want to use. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.